No goblins or goons, but these pieces will vibe up a room. Y'all like that, ain't it? Yeah. I know. This person wanted like $30 a cup, and I was like, no.
No, sir. Not me.
Watch this. I ain't never gonna get tired of that. Everybody, my name is Andrea. If you're new here, and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay, so in my past couple trips to Homegoods, I've noticed they've already put out Halloween decorations. What? It's July. And you guys know I don't do seasonal decorations. I don't do Christmas trees or anything like that. Partly because I'm lazy. So needless to say, I didn't buy any witches or brooms or anything like that. No goblins or goons, but these pieces will vibe up a room. Y'all like that, ain't it? Yeah. I know. I did find some pieces that are dark and moody that give you that vibe, and they're way better than a jack-o'-lantern. Jack-o'-lantern. Better than a pumpkin. So you guys already know what it is. It's haul time.
Like the kid, here goes.
So just in case you are new here, I found this little Wabi piece at Homegoods a couple weeks ago. I cannot stop raving about it. I think I've talked about it in this will probably be like my third video talking about this piece. And I had a dilemma because pieces that are really special to me that I love, I don't know where to put them. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna put them in my bedroom. I don't know if I'm gonna put them in my living room because I just wanna see them everywhere, right? I want to see them everywhere, right? So I was like, I need to find some other piece, something else with this vibe so I don't have to worry about moving it around all the time when I want to see it. Are you ready for this? Y'all, like, so I found this at Homegoods. Like I said, it was $39.99 and it gives that same like finish, that like smoky, wabi, rough, raw, all the texture, the shape, everything. So I had to get him. It gives a different like color payoff on each side. So depending on how much you want it to vary, you can put it on that side. Like this side has a lot more light. This one is a little bit more meshed, if you will. This side is a little bit more dark, and it also gives like an antique feel because it has little I don't know if I damaged it on the way home, but it has like these little chips where you can see the little terracotta pieces peeking through, but I don't mind that at all because the vibe is imperfect. And yeah, I just love it so much. I can leave it by itself or stick a little stem in it, kind of juxtapose like delicate and rough. You guys know I love doing that. And I just love these kind of pieces because they really scream Wabi and you don't even have to try that hard. So my book that I have by Axel Vervoort called Wabi Inspirations the cover is this, like legit. I will put a picture up on the screen so you guys see what I'm talking about, but I'm just so excited I found this. So yeah, love him. So piece number 2 with that same finish is this little bowl. And I found this just the other day. It was the only thing I found in Homegoods. He was $29.99 and I just love it so much, partly because I can use it 2 different ways. So I can use it as a bowl. Of course, I can stick like remote controls or anything in there, maybe even some moss. Or I can flip it over this way because it lays flat on the table. I already tried it. And I can just use it as a sculptural object of some sort if I just want some kind of visual interest on whatever surface I put it on. And it's just so good, y'all. Like, it has the little cracks in it. It's just made in Tunisia. Is it Tunisia or Tunisia? I think it's Tunisia. I think that's how you pronounce it. So it's handmade in Tunisia and I just love it so much. It gives off that same vibe of the first picture vase I showed you, the second vase I showed you, and then you have this. So they're all different shapes, but the same So they're all different shapes, but they give the same aesthetic. And I don't have to put them all in the same space. If I do, it's fine, but you guys know I don't really like being matchy-matchy. So they may be in different rooms. Like I said, I wanted to spread the love around my home, and just so excited I found this, y'all. Like, it's the cutest thing. And the gradient on it, like, it can be more simple or it can be more complex. So let me take this little sticker off so you guys can get. Now I did have to scrub the bottom because you guys know Homegoods, they do this thing where they take like chalk or a white crayon or something and they write the style number on the bottom of some things. And since I'm probably going to be using it on its right side upside down this way instead of using it as a bowl, I didn't want those numbers showing. But yeah, so this next piece is not necessarily a decorative piece, although it's very nice to look at, but it is a dish. I have been buying big girl dishes lately because I'm grown and I'm just tired of like eating out of these like cheapy, tacky dishes I've been eating in for the past couple years. And I must say, putting your food on like nice flatware and putting your drinks in nice cups and glasses, it really does elevate your experience. Like, it makes the food and the drink taste better. Like, maybe it's just me, but that's how I feel. All over Pinterest, I have been seeing these ceramic cups in these fancy coffee shops, and I just felt like I really, really needed them in my life. But they high. Okay, I ain't even gonna hold you. Ceramic cups, ceramic anything is high. I went on Etsy to try to buy some, and this person wanted like $30 a cup, and I was like, no.
No, sir, not me.
So I found these ceramic cups at H&M Home online, and I had to get them. Like, they sell out so fast. I shared them over on my Instagram as soon as I saw them so you guys could get your hands on them. If you don't follow me, consider doing that because they see the stuff first before I get here on YouTube. $12.99 was way more reasonable. Still kind of pricey for just one cup, especially for the size, but I cut my losses and I was just like, let me go ahead and get it. I love the cool and warm tones in it. I love how speckled it is, and it's just very Wabi to me. And I can't wait to put like my little chai lattes in here, my little matchas, get me a little straw. It's gonna be so, so cute. Like I always tell you guys, hit that notify me button on the website and it'll notify you. But also make sure you stalk the pieces because lately H&M hasn't been sending me the notifications. I just happen to go on the app and I see that it's in stock and I buy it real quick. So I got 4 of these. I initially ordered 4 and then one of them was canceled. I guess they didn't have enough stock. So I just kept stocking and I finally got a 4th one. And like I can't say enough. Like, it's just, I just feel like this is so grown up and just so like
oh God, oh no, oh no, oh no.
I don't know, it's so different, it's so unique, and I'm so glad to have it. So I will leave a link down below in the description box for these cups. Hopefully you can get some. While we're on the subject of like Wabi eatery, I don't know if that made sense, but it made sense in my head. I went to Homegoods and I was in the cutting board section because I really want to warm up my kitchen, but I don't want the like typical cutting boards you see everywhere, like the paddle looking ones, just the ones that are just so typical in a household. So when I saw these, I gagged because they are so Wabi, like perfect. I've never seen anything like this before. You know the tables you see in Wabi spaces? Think that, but portable. Like, that's what this is. It has a lot of imperfections in it. It's oddly shaped, right up my alley, and both sides are different. It's very raw and I really love that about it. So I was like, oh my gosh, that is so cool. I can display it as a cutting board. And then I got to the car and noticed this hole right here. Like, I noticed it in the store, but I was thinking, oh, maybe that's just so you can hang your cutting board up in your kitchen. And it was sitting next to my water bottle in the car. And I was like, does that fit in that hole?
That's what she said.
And it did. It held my water bottle, so I was like, I can use this as a tray as well. So I only got one initially. Like, they had two in the store. I only got one at first. But when I saw that it could fit a cup or a bottle, I ran right into Homegoods and got the other one. Like, I don't take no chances. Like I told y'all in my last video, buyer's remorse is the worst. So yeah, I got them both. Well, here are both of them. Like you can tell, they are sisters, so they're not identical. This one is a little bit more refined, I feel, while this one has a lot more roughness to it. Hopefully, watch this. I'm never gonna get tired of that. But hopefully you guys can tell. I love how raw but smooth the sides of this is, and it has these little indentions. It's just so good, y'all. Like, so good. They were only $16.99 a piece. Massive, gorgeous, unique, a must. And last but not least, I shared this in my last video. I showed you guys that I needed a little candle holder because I saw it on Pinterest and I wanted to put it in my windowsill. So I wanted to give her a proper introduction in a haul. She was only $7.99. I love her little swirl down here at the bottom. It kind of makes me feel like the old days, like when they would walk around the house when there were no lights on, like if it was storming or something, and they had to hold the candle from a handle. The candle from a handle. That rhymed. But yeah, I love it so much. I think it's so simple, but still makes an impact. And all these pieces, like, I feel like I can put on a dinner table and have like a little dinner date, and it'll be so Wabi and so sexy and so nice. I can have, this isn't necessarily Wabi, but it'll fit the dark and moody vibe because candle, hello. So just turn the lights down low. I have my Wabi trays with our dinner on it, maybe like a little salmon dinner. Get my little ceramic cups and put some, I don't drink wine, but I can put some sparkling grape juice in there and just kind of sip it out of there, and then put like a little floral arrangement in my vase. And I don't know what I would use my bowl for because I wouldn't put food in there. But it can just be sitting on, oh, I can put the candle on top of the bowl, like flip it over and put the candle on top. So it's a whole vibe. You guys get the gist. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. Like always, I will leave the style numbers to those Homegoods pieces, those Homegoods pieces down in the description box, so it'll be easier for you guys to find. And I will link those ceramic cups so you guys can get notified when they come back in stock. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.